Attention all EV enthusiasts and prospective buyers. Are you aware of the federal EV tax credit loophole that could save you a significant chunk of change? It's a controversial topic, but one that could benefit you greatly if you act fast. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act, signed by President Trump, was meant to put an end to the EV tax credit, which offered up to $7,500 off the purchase price of eligible electric vehicles. However, there's a twist in the tale that could see you claiming this credit even after the September 30th, 2025 deadline. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, has clarified that if you have a written contract in place and make a payment on or before the deadline, you can still claim the credit when you take possession of the vehicle, even if that's after the cutoff date. So, if you're quick, you can secure your dream EV and save a substantial sum. For example, imagine you place an order for a Tesla Model Y before September 30th, but due to production delays, it arrives in November. As long as you've signed the contract and made a payment before the deadline, you're still eligible for the tax credit. But here's the catch. The IRS also states that dealers must provide a time of sale report within 3 days of you taking possession of the vehicle. So, if you're planning to use this loophole, keep this in mind and ensure you receive the necessary documentation. This rule's duration is unclear, so it's best to act sooner rather than later. And remember, this loophole applies to a specific set of circumstances, so make sure you understand the criteria before proceeding. So, are you ready to navigate this complex but potentially rewarding EV tax credit landscape? It's a fascinating insight into the world of automotive incentives and a great opportunity to save on your next EV purchase. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Do you think this loophole is a fair way to incentivize EV purchases, or is it a controversial move that could have unintended consequences? We'd love to hear your opinions.